Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to enable Safe Boot on your PlayStation 5 in 2025 so you can troubleshoot crashes, glitches, or startup issues. Step 1. Power down your console completely. Hold the power button until you hear it beep twice. Then wait until the light turns off. Step 2. Press and hold the power button again. Keep holding it after the first beep and release it only after the second beep. This takes about 7 seconds. Your PlayStation 5 will now start in a safe mode. Connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable, then press the PlayStation 5 button to continue. Inside the safe mode, you will see several useful options. Restart PlayStation 5 for a quick reboot, change resolution if your screen is black or distorted, update system software to install the latest firmware via USB or internet, rebuild database, fixes corrupted files, and speed up your PlayStation 5. Reset PlayStation 5 for a last resort for factory reset. Always start with rebuild database or update system software before doing a full reset. That way you can often fix issues without losing your data. Thanks everyone for watching.